this seems much better positioned in India's favor than if you look at just the first cryptic kind of message which came out on the trade deal. Yes, there are 0% tariffs that we will give on some items, but not all. We also get very low tariffs up to 0% on some items that we export to the United States. The big sticking point over the last year of whether India will give concessions on agriculture seems to have been clearly sorted in a way which is good for Indian farmers. Dairy is not being touched. GM crops are not coming into this country. Yes, we are importing some agricultural products, but those are not in the categories which will hurt Indian farmers. Also, the point about certain sectors and whether they will be harmed with imports coming in, even something like wine and spirits. No, there is enough to protect domestic manufacturers. One point that the minister said, and I thought that's important to emphasize, Indian manufacturing industry should not be afraid of a little competition. Tariff barriers and non-tariff barriers that India had in place being tweaked is not necessarily a bad thing. It's good for our economy. And from a markets perspective, Aditya, I think this is exactly what the doctor ordered. There was some uncertainty over the last few trading days, and we've seen that in the markets because it wasn't clear what India is getting out of the deal. It is now becoming clear. I think the path is also very, very straight for FIIs to now come back in larger numbers.